let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today at Memaw's house. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to make my peach oatmeal cobbler today. I stumbled into this recipe when I was making a peach crisp, and it didn't quite come out like I wanted it to, but it came into this cobbler. My family enjoy it, and I hope you do too. If you haven't subscribed, do that, and enjoy the video. Okay, so I have my taste testers. I have a guest taste tester, Miss Lane. This is one of Ari's friends. Peyton was away, and so she was the new taste tester.
No.
Okay, good. Y'all heard it. There it is. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you give this recipe a try. My family certainly loves it. So, y'all be blessed. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We'd love to have you as part of our family. Bye.